welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the all-new 2026 Subaru Crosstrek, one of the most anticipated compact SUVs of the year. Whether you're already a Subaru fan or just curious about what's new, this detailed review will cover everything you need to know, from the exterior and interior design to performance updates and, of course, pricing, starting with the exterior. The 2026 Crosstrek stays true to its adventurous roots while pushing the design into a sleeker, more modern territory. The front fascia is bold yet clean, with a prominent hexagonal grille proudly displaying the Subaru emblem. The headlights are now sharper and sleeker, featuring standard LED technology with a unique light signature that makes the Crosstrek instantly recognizable both day and night. Moving along the sides, the rugged black cladding around the wheel arches remains, reinforcing that ready-for-anything attitude, while new alloy wheel designs add a sporty flair. At the back, the taillights have been slimmed down and redesigned, with a more aggressive LED pattern, and the rear bumper gets a tougher look, complete with faux skid plates. The white color on this model looks absolutely stunning under natural light, reflecting a sense of purity and sophistication, while subtle design tweaks make the Crosstrek feel fresher without abandoning what fans love. Now stepping inside, the 2026 Crosstrek's interior has been seriously upgraded. Soft touch materials cover most major touch points, and Subaru has introduced a new two-tone interior option that feels premium yet durable. At the center of the dash sits an impressive 11.6-inch vertical touchscreen that houses Subaru's latest Starlink infotainment system, offering wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as standard. The digital gauge cluster ahead of the driver is crisp and customizable, giving you everything from trip information to advanced safety alerts at a glance. The steering wheel is leather-wrapped, and the seats offer a mix of high-quality cloth or optional leather upholstery depending on the trim. Thanks to a clever redesign, the cabin feels roomier, especially for rear passengers, and cargo space remains one of the best in the segment. Subaru has also upgraded sound insulation, making the ride significantly quieter even at highway speeds. Small details like improved door pockets, USB-C ports, and a wireless charging pad show that Subaru is listening closely to what modern drivers want. Under the hood, the Crosstrek offers two engine choices. The base models come equipped with a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine producing around 152 horsepower, while higher trims feature a 2.5-liter four-cylinder delivering a stronger 182 horsepower. Both engines are paired to Subaru's smooth Lineartronic CVT, which has been slightly retuned for better responsiveness this year. As you'd expect, Subaru's symmetrical all-wheel drive system comes standard across the range, providing excellent grip in all weather conditions. For the adventurous spirit, ground clearance remains a generous 8.7 inches, making it one of the few compact SUVs that can truly handle some off-road trails without breaking a sweat. Fuel economy remains strong, with the 2.0-liter models averaging around 29 miles per gallon combined, while the 2.5-liter variants achieve slightly less but reward you with better performance, especially when merging onto highways or carrying heavier loads. When it comes to safety, Subaru's EyeSight driver assist technology has been updated with wider camera coverage and improved pedestrian detection. Standard features now include adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, automatic emergency braking, and rear cross-traffic alert. Higher trims also offer a 360-degree camera system, blind spot monitoring, and a new feature, automatic emergency steering at low speeds. Pricing for the 2026 Subaru Crosstrek starts very competitively. The base model kicks off around $26,000, making it a strong value considering the standard all-wheel drive and updated tech. Mid-level trims with the more powerful engine start around $29,000, while the fully loaded limited or wilderness editions can climb to just under $35,000. Subaru has struck a good balance here, offering different versions of the Crosstrek for everyone, from casual city drivers to hardcore adventurers. In conclusion, the 2026 Subaru Crosstrek refines everything that made it a success: ruggedness, practicality, and safety, while adding the tech and comfort that today's buyers demand. It's still unmistakably a Crosstrek, but feels much more polished and modern. If you're looking for a compact SUV that can genuinely do it all without breaking the bank, the 2026 Crosstrek definitely deserves a spot on your shortlist. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth car reviews and latest auto news. See you in the next one.